Without a YouTube channel, you have no public presence on YouTube. To make money on YouTube, join the YPP, which is a YouTube Partner Program. Even if you have a Google account, you still have to create a YouTube channel to upload your videos. Sell products, become an affiliate marketer, and you can also become a brand influencer. Now, creating your own YouTube channel and also working with a brand as an influencer is a double money for you, because you get paid by the brand you are influencing for, and also by the number of views you get on YouTube. YouTube also pays you, so it's a double win. Another way to get money on YouTube is to license your content to the media. All you have to do is to sign in to YouTube using your laptop or a computer or any Google website. Click on your profile picture, then click on create a channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Anna's vlog. If today is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please do not make it your last time. And to my lovely returning subscribers, you are welcome. Your channel can be created using YouTube mobile site or a website. To start earning money directly on YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Or you must have 10 million short views and 1,000 subscribers. Once you reach either 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, or 10 million short views and 1,000 subscribers, you will start getting paid on YouTube. The new update on YouTube is that you can now start getting monetized and paid on YouTube having at least 500 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours. Learn how YouTube can build an audience and cash in on YouTube today. Create that YouTube account and earn some cash. And to qualify for that, you have to join the YPP. And to qualify for it, you must have at least posted 2 videos in the past 90 days and you should have a 500 subscribers. You can as well advertise your product and post it on YouTube. You can get your first client from YouTube also. I hope you learned something in today's video. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up by liking this video right here. Thank you. If you would also like to start a YouTube channel, I'll be dropping the link up here and in the description box. And if you have a copyright claims on your video, I have a link on how to remove copyright by yourself. Yes, so please see you in my next video. Bye guys.